Meal delivery services provide a convenient way to have meals delivered directly to your home or office. These services offer a variety of benefits, such as convenience. Meal delivery services take the hassle out of meal planning and grocery shopping, allowing you to save time and energy. Variety. Most meal delivery services offer a wide variety of meal options, including different cuisines, dietary restrictions, and meal plans. This allows you to have more options to choose from and try new meals. Health. Many meal delivery services offer healthy meal options, such as organic and non-GMO ingredients, low-carb, gluten-free, and other dietary restrictions. This can help you to maintain a healthy diet and reach your dietary goals. Portion control. Many meal delivery services provide pre-portioned meals, which can help you to control your portion sizes, which can be helpful in weight management. Time saving. Meal delivery services can save you time in meal planning, grocery shopping, cooking, and cleaning. This can be especially helpful for busy individuals or families, those who don't enjoy cooking or have limited cooking skills. Cost effective. Meal delivery services may be more cost effective than eating out or buying convenience foods. Services often offer subscription plans and bulk options that can save you money in the long run. Support local business. Some meal delivery services work with local farmers and suppliers to provide fresh, locally sourced ingredients. This can help to support local businesses and communities. It's important to check the cost, quality of ingredients, packaging, and delivery options of each service before making a choice to ensure that the service is a good fit for your needs.